A lot of people keep looking to buy a premium quality tablet, maybe for your office related works, AI productivity, or even for entertainment at a reasonable price point, right? Well, you guys came to the right video. Today in the home, I got my hands on a brand new tablet from Lenovo. This is their all new IdeaTab Pro Gen 2, which was just launched in the Indian market. And I'm telling you, right, the kind of specs it packs is killer for this price point. The IdeaTab Pro Gen 2 features a 13 inches 3.5K resolution 144Hz pure sight pro display. Not to forget, you're also getting Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 octa-core chipset, up to 12GB LPDDR5X RAM, and also comes bundled with Lenovo Tab Pen Plus stylus included, guys. All of this powered by a big 10,200 mAh battery. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and talk about this product in this video. I'll be sharing like my detailed experience. We'll go through the benchmarks, talk about the whole performance, and also the stylus pen as well, guys. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And before we get started, let me tell you, this video was made in collab with Lenovo. A big thank you to them. But whatever opinion or feedback I'll be sharing in this video, right, it's completely based on my testing only, nothing influenced by anyone. So our brand new Lenovo IdeaTab Pro Gen 2 2026 came in this sort of packaging. Very similar Lenovo style packaging, guys. On the front you got the Lenovo branding, a picture of the product, and let me tell you, the IdeaTab Pro Gen 2 is available in like multiple variants and configurations. Today in the home we have the 8 plus 256GB edition. That is pretty much it. There is nothing else mentioned over here. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So there you go. As soon as you open the package, at the top side we have our brand new tablet from Lenovo, the IdeaTab Pro Gen 2. Keeping that aside, in the package you also get some accessories. By the way, let me tell you, this is actually a demo device that I received for testing and review, right? That is the reason we didn't get any charger included in the package. But when you will be buying, you will definitely get a 45-watt quick charger bundled in the package along with a Type-C cable. Keeping that aside, you're also getting some paperwork. Just make sure to read this if you got time. And lastly, as I've told you, the tab also comes bundled with Lenovo's Tab Pen Plus stylus. So that's it. These are all the items we got in the package. Let me give you like a closer look at the tablet and go through the whole design, build quality, and talk about the buttons, ports, basically everything you're getting on this product over here. There you go, boys. Our very first hands-on and initial look at Lenovo's all new IdeaTab Pro Gen 2 2026. Now, initial impressions, I have to say, it definitely looks and feels quite premium, guys. I mean, check out the whole back profile. Love the look and feel. Anyway, starting off from the front side, right, let me talk about the display. The IdeaTab Pro Gen 2 comes with a 13 inches 3.5K resolution pure sight pro 144Hz high refresh rate LCD display, and as usual, just like the previous gen, this is also like a 16:10 aspect ratio only. Keeping that aside, over here on the front side you're also getting an 8 megapixel camera, guys. Basically, if you want to do some video calling or maybe like conferences or meetings, right, you can definitely use this camera. At the rear also you do have a camera. We'll come there in a moment. If you ask about the build quality of the product definitely looks nice. We have the Luna Grey edition, and honestly speaking, it's a beautiful looking color. Definitely feels and looks quite premium for the price that you pay. On the right profile here, you're getting two buttons, basically your volume rockers, and quality of the buttons is also nice. You're getting dual microphones on board, so great for like conferencing or any sort of calls you want to have for business purpose, stuff like that. Just below that, you see this area over here. Now, a lot of people might actually confuse this for a fingerprint reader, but no, this is actually a magnetic area where you can, magnetically attach that stylus pen, the Tab Pen Plus, which comes included in the package. And that is pretty much it. If you ask about the thickness and profile, right, look at this. The tab has a very slim profile considering that you're getting such a big display. The thickness of this tab is only around like 6.2 mm. It's super portable. You can easily throw it in your backpack and take it anywhere. The tab roughly weighs around like 598 grams. Going to the top profile, here you've got your power button, and you see these cutouts over here. These are your speakers. The tab actually comes with like quad JBL speakers and also supports Dolby ATMOS as well. You're getting two speakers on the top and two on the bottom profile. And in between the speakers, you're getting an SD card slot. Yes, the storage on this tablet is also expandable. You can easily insert a micro SD card and expand the storage up to 2 TB. There is nothing much on the left profile. You only have some magnetic connectors. So basically, guys, right now in the package, you're not getting any keyboard accessory, but Lenovo will be launching a keyboard with a touchpad accessory very soon, and using that you can completely upgrade and enhance the whole tab experience and basically use it like a laptop replacement as well. So I'm really looking forward to that attachment and accessory. I'll keep you guys posted. On the bottom profile, as I've told you, these are your down-firing speakers and a USB Type-C port that also doubles up as PD 3.0 fast charging and DP port as well. And here's how the back profile looks like. I've already told you about the design and build quality part, right? The tab tab comes with like a all metal construction and definitely feels quite premium. And going to the top left corner, this is where you have your camera layout. So the tab comes with a single 13 megapixel rear camera along with a tiny LED flash. And wait a second, I forgot to talk about the battery, right? Whole thing is powered by a big 10,200 mAh battery and supports 45 watt quick charging. So that's it, our complete overview on the tablet design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll quickly power it on, set it up, and then continue this video. So there you go, here's how our all new Idea Tab Pro Gen 2 looks like. And initial impressions, I have to say that is a beautiful looking display, right? I mean, check it out. Even the bezels are also quite slim on all the sides and comes with rounded corners for a premium look and feel. We'll come there and definitely talk about the display part in a moment. Keeping that aside, at the beginning only I've told you, right, this tab comes with Android version 16 out of the box and runs on Lenovo's ZUI 18. Now Lenovo has mentioned that this tablet will receive 2 major OS upgrades and supports 4 years of security updates. One more thing if you can actually notice is the tab feels quite smooth, right? I mean, look at the interface navigation over here. App opening, closing, transition, everything feel like buttery smooth, all thanks to that 144 Hz high refresh rate display. Let me quickly head over to the settings and show you extra features and basically what you're getting over here. In the personal customization, you can apply like different wallpapers. Dynamic wallpapers are also there. Going to the display section, yes, you do get like adaptive brightness support, adaptive color to environment is also there. Apart from that, you're also getting reading mode and eye protection mode as well. In the sound settings, you can access Dolby ATMOS EQ profile, so totally depends on you. Well, that was about the software, UI, built-in apps and features. Keeping the itty-bitty stuff aside, let's actually move on and talk about the main aspects of the product. Let me actually give you a closer look at the display and tell you about the display quality and hardware specs. As I've told you at the beginning, Lenovo's all new Idea Tab Pro Gen 2 edition comes with a large 13 inches 3.5K resolution, basically around like 3540 by 2190 pure sight pro display, and that too with a really high refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. So I've been using this tablet for the last couple of days and binge watched variety of content. Not just like simple videos on YouTube, but even like web series and movies on OTT platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. And I have to say guys, display quality is top notch for the price that you're paying. Though I would have really loved if Lenovo could have offered OLED display for this price point, but still this is also not bad. It's a fine quality display. There is great amount of detail. 3.5K resolution at 13 inches. There is nothing less you can expect over here guys. Everything looks razor sharp and crisp and clear guys. Text is also very easily readable. Contrast ratio and black levels are also good. And coming to colors, the panel on board supports like 99% DCI-P3 color gamut range, and the color quality, color reproduction, everything was on point guys. Beautiful looking colors. And not to forget, the panel also supports like Dolby Vision HDR, and especially if you binge watch a lot of content, maybe like movies or web series, right, you are going to absolutely love the quality over here. No compromise guys, nothing like that. And overall brightness of the panel was also quite satisfactory. On a typical side, right, the brightness can easily hit around like 550-600 nits, but you do have a high brightness mode as well where the panel can reach up to like 800 nits, and I had no issues checking out the display in most of the situations. Keeping the display part aside and coming to the sound, I've told you, right, this tablet features quad JBL speakers, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom side, and is tuned by Dolby ATMOS. You're also getting EQ profiles. All the dialogues will like crisp and clear, and output also like quite loud and sufficient guys. See, especially if you're using this tablet maybe for like entertainment purpose, or even if you want to play games, right, I'm telling you, it is full on entertainment package. You'll be like super happy and satisfied with the results. So this is the part you people have been waiting for, right? How's the overall performance of this tablet? So before we check out the whole benchmarks and talk about the performance, right, let me first tell you about the hardware specs you're getting on board. Lenovo's all new Idea Tab Pro Gen 2 is powered by Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 octa-core chipset. You're literally getting Qualcomm Hexagon NPU on board for all your AI related workloads and applications. Apart from that, if you ask about the GPU, you're getting Adreno 825 GPU. Pair that with like 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and as I've told you, storage is also expandable using a microSD card up to 2 TB. See, I've been using this tablet as my daily driver for the last couple of days, doing variety of things guys, like my regular office works, checking out mails, and also running Chrome tabs in the background, handling multiple applications as well. And let me tell you, for your casual day-to-day experience, Tab was running very nice guys. I mean, if you talk about the app transitions, closing, opening, everything feels so smooth on the home screen. Not just single applications, Tab is also capable of handling multiple applications at the same time in floating window mode, split screen mode as well. We'll come there and talk about these multitasking features in a moment. Keeping that aside, I have also ran a couple of benchmarks as well. Just have a look at the scores. Coming to the gaming performance, first of all, let me tell you, this is not like a gaming oriented tablet, but that doesn't mean you cannot play games on it. It is very well capable and can easily handle most of your favorite AAA titles, either it be BGMI, Asphalt 9 or even Genshin Impact, guys. So I've tested multiple games over here like BGMI, and right now we're playing Asphalt 9 demo to give you like a performance test. And as you people can see, you're able to run this game at maximum graphics, and that too with up to like 120 FPS. Buttery smooth gaming experience. I mean, check out this demo over here. I didn't face any sorts of lags, frame drops, nothing like that. Overall smooth performance. And not only Asphalt 9, I've even played like BGMI as well, and similar sort of results. You can definitely enjoy your casual gaming experience over here. But if you want to play some graphic intensive AAA titles, maybe like Genshin Impact, you might have to slightly tweak the settings and lower down the graphics to get like a smooth and consistent sort of results. But again, as I've told you guys, it's not like a gaming oriented tablet. It is more like an all-rounder sort of tablet made for like creative usage, a bit of productivity, college student activities, and yes, it can easily handle your casual gaming needs as well. Overall, quite satisfactory performance for the price point. Okay, one feature I really liked on this tablet is Lenovo is giving like full multitasking capabilities, guys. Say for example, if you want to use like 2 applications or 3 applications at the same time, you can definitely do that. Simply open an app and click on these 3 dots at the top side, and that's it. It'll give you an option to go split screen mode, and now you can actually open a second application on the split screen window just like this. You can maybe use it for watching YouTube at the same time and also open Chrome browser, guys. And not just split screen mode, you can even go like floating window as well. Say for example, you want to open a Chrome browser in floating mode while watching YouTube video behind that. Yes, you can do that. So really appreciate these sort of tablet multitasking features. Okay, I know you people have been waiting for this part. How is the stylus pen performance? So I've been using it for like writing notes in an artistic way, or maybe for like drawings, creating like really nice artistic panels, and it was doing a good job. Tab was easily recognizing the stylus inputs, and best part is the latency, the lag was like quite a minimum, especially considering the price point. I was totally not expecting that. And you know, you'll definitely have a fun, especially if you're like an artist, maybe looking for a tab, maybe for your drawing, or maybe you know, some sort of creative sort of applications, right? You can definitely go for this model. It is great for this price point. And remember, at the beginning I've told you that this is an AI powered tablet and comes loaded with plenty of hybrid AI features like smarter reader, AI creation tools, Lenovo AI notes, and also AI live transcript. Smarter reader is a super useful application that supports annotations. Using this, you can automatically convert any sort of text or images to structured memos in an organized manner and automatically save them to the notepad. See, especially if you're a student, you go to college, attend a lot of online classes or lectures, and you need to make notes or maybe have like organized study flow daily, this could be like great for you to organize everything with the help of AI. Whenever you're checking out documents and you come across any sort of paragraphs, maybe you want to save that to your notepad, simply circle the paragraphs. You can maybe add like star to highlight them, or in case if you have any sort of questions or doubts, or maybe you do not understand that paragraph or a sentence, right? Simply add a question mark to the circle, and that's it. It will instantly access AI features like AI explain, AI translation, or even AI summary. It will give you like a detailed analysis of the same thing. Like, how cool is that? Not only that, with the help of these AI creation tools, you can even convert images to like clean and organized notes automatically saved to the Lenovo Notepad app. Similarly, you do have like Lenovo AI notes application as well that supports features like AI rewrite, AI summary, which we've already seen in the previous model of the tablet. But the main highlight would be the new IdeaPad Pro Gen 2 even supports AI live transcript, which you can easily access from the settings over here. And once you do that, right, it is capable of capturing every word in real time and saves it automatically as notes in the Notepad app. Cool thing is, it not only recognizes English, but it is capable of understanding and translating multiple languages, either it be Japanese, Korean, Chinese, just like this, guys. I mean, have a look at this demo. So this could be like super handy for all the students who usually attend a lot of lectures, online classes, and you know, all thanks to this, you don't miss out any details happening in real time. Last but not the least, you're also getting Google Gemini integration and circle to search feature. You can easily use the Tab Pen Plus to circle anything on the home screen or any sort of stuff that you're watching and immediately get Google search results. This is also very handy. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also tell you about the battery. free. On board you're getting a 10,200 milliampere battery, and battery life was decently good, guys. On a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 55-60%, you're checking mails, doing office related works, day-to-day activities, maybe watching some videos on YouTube, and with these sort of activities, right, you can easily get around like 9 to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. But if you're like a heavy user, you're using the tablet for like creativity, using that stylus a lot, set the brightness around like 75%, and also game in a bit, right, then you'll only get around like 5 to 6 hours of battery life. Not to worry, you're also getting support for like 45-watt quick charging, right, so that tops up the battery in around like 2.5 hours. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. That was our video on Lenovo's all new IdeaTab Pro Gen 2 edition. It's a great tablet around this price point, especially if you're looking for something, entertainment purpose. You consume a lot of videos on YouTube or maybe like OTT platform, right? Also, you're into a bit of productivity, creativity, then that stylus could definitely be handy for you. And as I've shown you, yes, you can do a bit of gaming as well, not an issue at all. And coming to the pricing details, the new IdeaTab Pro Gen 2 is priced at 39,999 in the Indian market and will be available to buy on Lenovo.com website starting May 1st, 2026. I'll try to leave a link to that and all the details in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you're looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.